Here. A.
For apple.
Good.
B for boot.
Good.
C for car.
Good.
D for duck.
Duck.
E for elephant.
Excellent.
F for fish.
Excellent. About this one. G for guitar.
G for guitar.
About this.
H for house.
About this.
I for Andrew.
I glue. About this one.
J for jacket.
J for jacket.
K for kite.
Good.
L for scissors.
Lizard.
M for mouse.
Good.
N for net.
Net. Good job. About this one.
O for octopus.
Octopus.
P for penguin.
Penguin. This one.
Hmm.
Q for queen.
O for rainbow.
Good job. About this one.
S for
Which letter is this one?
S.
S for snow.
I like snow.
I know.
I like Miss Snowman.
How about this one?
Turtles.
Which letter?
T.
T. How about this?
U for umbrella.
Umbrella. This one, honey, almost.
Right.
Here.
Y for
Uh-oh.
van.
Which letter is for van?
I sound.
Which letter is for van?
Plant sound.
Honey, which letter is for van?
Y.
V. That. About this one. About this?
W.
W for whale.
Whale. I like whales.
Yeah, what is that?
X
This one.
for X-ray.
Good job. About this?
Y
Y.
for yarn.
Perfect. About this one?
For zebra.
Z for zebra. Good job. High five. You're so good.